Hi, welcome back to P2M, the Positive Perspective Mindset channel. Today we're covering discovering your passion, pursuing meaningful work. So let's jump in. In the dynamic landscape of our careers, uncovering your true passion is like embarking on a thrilling treasure hunt. You're an explorer of the professional realm, searching for that hidden chest of purpose and fulfillment. Our careers are vast territories with untold opportunities and challenges, and your quest, it's about deciphering the map to your passion, unlocking the secrets to meaningful work. But we're not diving into a lecture on soul searching here. So before you roll your eyes and start thinking, oh, great, another self help talk, let's take a pause. This isn't about wishful thinking or vague advice. We're delving into 5 actionable strategies and a dash of insights that will help you uncover your passion and pave the way to a fulfilling career. So grab your metaphorical map and let's navigate this exciting terrain together. In our professional life, our passion is the North Star guiding us to fulfillment and purpose. And on every treasure hunt, a compass is needed to stress your direction and keep you focused when facing obstacles. This is where your positive and proactive mindset becomes your compass, pointing you in the direction of your passions. This isn't just about positivity, it's about being realistic, setting intentions, and navigating with a clear focus. As you navigate through the unpredictable waters of your career, your passion driven, realistic, and positive mindset serves as a steady wheel, guiding you towards meaningful destinations. Now, let's embark on an adventure through 5 strategic steps, unveiling the path to discovering and pursuing meaningful work in a world brimming with chaos and hustle. Starting with step 1, ignite the flame. Instead of chasing the shadows of the past or the uncertainty of the future, kindle the fire of the present moment. Embrace the symphony of your heartbeat, the rhythm of your breath, and the pulse of your desires. What brings you joy? Embrace your inner explorer, stripping away layers of self doubt to uncover the gems of your true passions. Amid the noise of daily life, remind yourself of what you enjoy, what can support your growth, and nurture your passion. Step 2, the passion puzzle. Just like assembling a jigsaw puzzle, your passion is made up of unique pieces. It's time to put together those pieces and see the bigger picture. Merge your skills, talents, and interests to reveal your true calling. Imagine you're piecing together your dream job, one fragment at a time. When self doubt tries to sneak in, remind yourself of your focus and purpose. Once you ignite your passion, it's your time to keep fueling it. Step 3, explore new territories. Our comfort zones can be cozy, but they can also be limiting. It's time to broaden your horizons and explore new territories. Imagine yourself as a fearless adventurer, boldly stepping into the unknown. Attend workshops, try new experiences, and expand your skill set. These new horizons might just unveil your hidden passions. When fear of the unknown creeps in, reassure yourself that you're an explorer, and every new experience is a chance to discover something amazing. Step 4, network and collaborate. Your fellow explorers in the professional world can be your greatest allies. Connect with mentors, peers, and fellow enthusiasts. Picture it as building your crew for your career treasure hunt. These connections offer fresh perspectives, insight, and even partnership opportunities that can fuel your passion. When you start doubting networking, tell yourself that every connection is a potential collaborator, and together you can achieve incredible things. And step 5, nurture your dreams and experiment. As you journey within, tend to the garden of your dreams. Cultivate your inner landscape with care. Release self doubt and water the seeds of aspiration with compassion. The world is your laboratory, and your career journey is an experiment in progress. Embrace change and evolution. When fear of failure pops up, remind yourself that every experiment teaches you something and that failure is a stepping stone to success. Here's a piece of sage advice to fuel your passionate pursuit. Embrace the uncertainty, but don't let it douse your flames. Your passion isn't just a destination, it's the entire journey. The first step is simple: P.E.P. Passion, exploration, and progress. Imagine you're a creator designing your own career universe. Tune into your passions, explore new territories, and make progress with each step. No need to rush, this is your masterpiece in the making. It's time to reach within and craft your unique career narrative. It's about finding harmony within the chaos and letting your passion shine brightly. Let's summarize. We are searching, exploring, and discovering our passion to pursue meaningful work and fulfillment. The three key points to doing so are: 1. Ignite your flame. Embrace the present and uncover the gems of your passion. 2. Craft your passion puzzle. Merge your skills and interests to reveal your true calling. Integrate your passions into your daily routine, creating a life filled with purpose. And 3. Nurture your dreams and experiment. Cultivate self compassion, tend to your inner garden of aspirations, and experiment fearlessly. Your career journey is your canvas. These were some steps and insights on discovering your passion, pursuing meaningful work. If this helped you, like, subscribe, and share your support. I'm Amanda, your online buddy. Join me next week where we'll be covering developing effective presentation skills, engaging and influencing your audience. Ask questions or suggest topics related to your career or personal life in the comments, and we can tackle them together. Remember to keep a positive yet realistic mindset. See you next week!